to the channel. As you can see, I just finished washing my hair. I just finished with the deep conditioner. I'm about to blow dry my hair into sections so that I can start braiding it. I'm gonna use this to moisturize each section. You don't need it to be like completely straight as possible, just stretched. Like, it doesn't have to be a perfect blowout where you're prepping it to straighten it, as long as your hair is like stretched out. Okay, and then each section that I have stretched out, I'm gonna twist it up so that it can stay elongated. Honestly, I need a trim, and I know I need a trim, and I am just putting it off. And I know that's bad. You don't even gotta tell me. You don't gotta tell me it's bad. I know it's bad. I know what I'm doing. Also try to focus the oil at the ends, since it's like the oldest part of your hair. I'm trying to first part my section from ear to ear. I divide my hair into like 3 major groups. Hi, it is 5 days later. I finished my mini braids on July 1st. Then I had to go to work and my schedule got a little busy. Now let me hear you say you're ready. I'm ready. Okay, I'm back from the beauty supply. I just went to change my jacket because it's a little frosty in here. So let me show you what the braids are looking like before I put on these beads. Honestly, I think they are so cute. This is what the braids are looking like. Right now, I'm going to finish the hairstyle. I'm gonna apply mousse. I'm gonna oil my scalp, and then I'm gonna put on these beads and see what it looks like and how we like it. Did time myself doing my hair this time around. So my last score was like 8 hours. This time it was 7 hours 30 minutes. I do have bigger parting because when I was going to make smaller parting, the braid was like itty bitty micro, and I was like, no, because I don't want to deal with taking this down later and getting my hair tangled, and it take forever. Like, when I tell you it was like smaller than the size of my pinky, I was like, absolutely not. So the braids themselves are still relatively small and mini, I would say, but the parting section looks bigger because I'm not using added hair, so it's going to look smaller. If I were to use added hair, then I would definitely need smaller sections. I hope that makes sense. If you choose to use added hair for your mini braids, then you don't need to do as big sections as I did. I think I'm gonna just alternate between those 3 patterns. Okay, so I finally finished installing the beads onto the braids, and I'm gonna go into the mirror and show you guys what it looks like. I did change my clothes again for like the 3rd or 4th time during this video because I want to take a good thumbnail picture, and I didn't feel like the sweatshirt I was wearing, you could see the beads against the sweatshirt. Okay, so this is how my mini braids turned out. thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a video. Let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this channel. Have a blessed day. Bye guys.